Hi everyone. Now I am going to explain Splay Tree deletion. So in my previous video I have explained how to insert the nodes, like how to construct this Splay Tree. Now I am explaining the deletion. In this deletion there are two ways. One is top down approach and another one is bottom up approach. So here bottom up approach is somehow easy than top down because just see here, this is a one tree structure. So here I want to delete 12. So where is 12? 12 is located as a leaf node. So 12 is at the leaf node. Now I want to delete this 12. Now what I need to do? If I want to delete this 12 means, then after deletion of this 12 I need to make its parent as a root. Only one condition we need to follow in the bottom up approach. So only 12's parent, for this parent we need to make it as a root node. So just follow. See, I want to delete this 12. How will to delete? If I delete this 12, then what I need to do, how my tree structure will be, just I will draw here 13, 7 and 10 here, then 16, 15 and then 17. Now 10 is at the leaf place. Now I need to do the rotations. So regarding the rotations video also I have pasted it at the description. You can check for rotations also. I am doing one zag and zig rotation. So zag rotation means it is a left rotation and zig rotation means it is a right rotation. Zag, zig. So what will happen if I done the zag zig rotation? Once if I do the zag rotation means 10 will move here and 7 will come down. Then how the rotation will be? Just I will draw the one side 13, 10 and 7. Then again I need to do the zig rotation. So if I do the zig, 10 will move here, 13 will become the child. So I am not writing the right side part because it is similar. So see 14, 10, 13 and 7. So remaining here 16 and remaining will be there. 10 is here only, but till my 10 didn't become the root. What I need to do? Again I need to do one more rotation, simple rotations. Only here all are depending on the rotations only. 10 became root, 14 is the right child, and same it will be similar 7, 15 and 17, and here 7 and 13 is the right child of 10, it will become the left child of 14. So now our condition has satisfied because 12 parent is 10. So 10 has become the root. Now 12 is completely deleted. So that is the bottom up approach. Simply bottom up approach, because from bottom is from leaf node. If you have deleted any node from leaf node, then it's a parent. We need to make that parent as a root node. Now come for the top down approach. That means if you want to delete any internal nodes, then how we need to perform the rotations. So here I am taking this tree for top down approach. So here I want to delete 16. So 16 is the internal node. So I want to delete the 16. So now what I need to do, it is a internal node. Then the first step is we need to make this internal node as a root node. So to delete any internal node, we need to make that internal node as a root node. After making it as a root node, then we need to delete. So to delete the 16, what we need to do? We need to do rotations and we need to make this 16 as a root node. Then we need to delete. So now just see here. First I need to do one rotation. So what will happen? So here 16 is having this is the parent, and for 16 this is a grandparent. So 14 is a parent. This is for sorry, here it is 14 is a parent and 13 is a grandparent. So if it is having parent and a grandparent, we need to do the rotations here. Here how we need to do the rotation means, just here for the parent we are making this 13 as the child. Then however tree will becomes then 10 and then 7. After that here same 15 and then 17. Now again what we need to do, we need to make this 16 as a root. No, again I will make the rotation same zag rotation because I'm moving it to the left rotation. So same zag rotation I will perform. Same here for here 14 it is a parent, so there is a grandparent. So what had happened, this 14 has 13 has become the root of this. Just take that, if you have any confusion here, just take an example like a b and then c. So if you want to make this c as root means, you need to do first one rotation, that is first for b a will become a root and then c. Now again what we need to do, again one more rotation, then c and then b and then a. Same here. Here 14 and 13. If you consider a b c, same what we have done, a b c it became. Then again we need to do the rotation. What will happen? Same for c, this will come 12 for 12. Here same 10 and remaining, but here for 16 14 will become the child and here 13 and here 17, but here 16th left child become the 14th right child. So now again one more rotation we need to do because still 16 is in the children state only. So we need to move it to the root. So what we need to do, again one more rotation I will do here. 16, 12, 10, 7, then here 17, but here 16's left children whole this sub tree will become the 12's right children and then 15. So that's it guys, our 16 has become the root. Now what we need to do, we need to remove this 16 now. After making it as a root, whatever the node we want to delete, if it is internal node means we need to make it as node, then we need to delete. Now what will happen, we have made this 16 as a root node. Now we need to delete this. Once deleted, this subtree will be different and this subtree will be different. Now we need to take the in-order predecessor or in-order successor to represent this 16 in place of, because 16 is a root. So here we are going to delete this 16. Once this is deleted, as we told, these subtrees will be different. So now what we need to do, we need to take either in-order predecessor or in-order successor. So here from left subtree I am taking the maximum value there, because the maximum value is 15. I am replaced, that means in a root I need to keep with the 16. So here how we need to put this 16 in a root, here also again I need to do the rotations. So now what we need to do, here the tree will be different, that is a 12, 10 and then 7. Now here 14, 13 and 15 and 17 is a separate set. If you want to add this 17 as a root, you can. Otherwise from this left subtree I am taking the maximum value. So how I need to do, here also same rotations I need to perform. So if I perform this rotation, how it will goes, simply we will get the, after rotation we will get the tree like this. Then again what we need to do, we need to make this 15 as a root. Again one more rotation. How it will goes, 15, then 12, 13, 10 and 7. So finally 15 has came into, that means it has came into the root position. Now what we need to do, whatever the 17 or the whatever the right subtree left part, we need to add it here. So then this is our top down approach. If you perform top down approach, so that means if we want to delete any internal node, so this is the whole procedure. Simply here, whenever we are doing any rotations, if you remember this thing, automatically we can able to solve the problem easily without any difficulties. If you remember it in ABCs, then it is very easy. How many number of nodes in between A and how many number of nodes after C, we don't want to see. But whatever the our main aim is, we need to make C as our root. That is our total aim. So for that we need to do the rotations. So if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.